Today's review is on the brand new Rega Planar 8 turntable, a manual turntable built for perfection out of the highest quality materials. Rega's engineering philosophy is different from the hi-fi companies that release new models every year. Rega makes changes when they come up with a design that offers a big performance improvement. The Planar 8 boasts plenty of these engineering improvements, and we break them all down in this video. Rega has always had three core design philosophies they adhere to on every turntable they make. Keep the platter spinning at the most constant possible speed, minimize vibrations getting into the turntable, and have a Tonearm cartridge combination that extracts as much information as possible out of the record groups. The new Planar 8 was designed to be light and stiff and has a unique design compared to other Rega models. The hollow feet are made from a lightweight rubber material called Santoprene and are reinforced with aluminum rings, making them great for filtering out external energy. The plinth is made out of Tancast, a polyurethane foam core sandwiched between two layers of black high-pressure laminate. As you can see, this is a very trimmed-down setup designed to reduce mass. The Planar 8 features Rega's double bracing technology that couples the Tonearm mount to the mount for the platter bearing on both sides of the plinth. This great design reduces energy absorption and unwanted resonances from getting up into the playback system. The sub-platter, which supports the main platter, is machined from a single piece of aluminum. This is attached to a hardened steel spindle which sits inside a custom brass housing, keeping energy from transferring to the platter. The platter features Rega's classic glass platter design. The platter is super critical in keeping things spinning at a constant speed. To achieve this, the Planar 8 has a triple glass platter with most of the thickness on the perimeter of the platter. This gives a great flywheel effect for excellent speed stability, but keeps things lighter than if the whole platter was this thickness. Very clever. The Planar 8's motor is mounted on the bottom using a new coupling technique designed to keep stress off the motor body. The bottom mount also reduces stress on the motor and prevents unwanted energy transferring into the plinth. The Neo PSU speed control box feeds a perfect signal to the 24-volt AC motor. Keeping the motor away from the power supply and away from the table is also a great way to reduce noise. Each Neo is individually hand-tuned to the P8 motor in its matching table. This cord is really long, so you can get the Neo far away from the table should you need to. Finally, we get to the Tonearm, another new design called the RB880. This aluminum and stainless steel beauty has far better Tonearm bearings than their other models, with tolerances down to 1/1000th of a millimeter. There is absolutely zero chatter in the bearing, and it is just totally free of any friction. The phono cables coming out of the P8 are very high quality and even have locking RCA ends for a tighter fitting connection. When you think about all the great new tech Rega has put into the Planar 8, you can be sure it's going to be a great performer. We used the Feta 2 with the Planar 8 for our testing. You can read more details about our test records and associated gear in the written review. What really astounded us was how alive the Planar 8 made the music sound. We've only heard a handful of turntables that made records come to life like this. The sound just jumped off the turntable. Another stunner was how little surface noise we heard. The background was just dead silent. Finally, the combination of the new RB880 arm and the Feta 2 cartridge tracks about as well as anything we have heard. We couldn't find a record it could not sail through. The Planar 8 comes in three versions, one without a cartridge, one with Rega's Anya moving coil cartridge, and another with their Feta 2 moving coil. We highly recommend you go with the Feta 2 version. The sound this combo produces is just full of energy. It separates instruments amazingly well and tracks like crazy, plus it gives you a totally silent background. You'll even save $700 on the package deal and have one of the best tables we've ever heard. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.